Navigating to files inside of the 3D Experience platform has just gotten much easier with this new app coming to 2026 FD01. In the past, tools like 3D Space, Bookmark Editor, 3D Search, Product Explorer, and more all have ways of finding files to view or open. They also give us additional capabilities for their respective applications. Now, we have a new app that is focused mainly on exploring the content that is stored in the 3D Experience environment. With the new Content Explorer, this gives a ton of flexibility when it comes to viewing files, information, and assembly structures. Let's dive into the Content Explorer and see how we can utilize this app to navigate to files from all the collaborative spaces that the user has access to in this 2-minute tech tip. From the web browser, the Content Explorer is a part of the Collaborative Designer for SOLIDWORKS role. This app acts similar to the File Explorer that you may be familiar with as a Windows user. By default, it opens using the thumbnail preview. I prefer to use a table view to see more information. On the left, this lists all of the collaborative spaces that the user has access to. We can see columns that represent information about our files and bookmarks, showing previews if the file is locked or unlocked, the maturity state of our file, and more. These columns can be customized to choose which information you'd like to represent for your users. There are additional tools we can use in the top right corner, allowing you to filter parts, assemblies, and drawings, as well as find objects in context and search for files. This tool allows you to explore easily through all content that you have access to as your user. Let's start with this vise assembly to see how it opens inside of SOLIDWORKS, noticing how we can access the Content Explorer directly inside of SOLIDWORKS using the 3D Experience add-in from the task pane. By using the drop-down menu on the right, we have the ability to use a majority of the tools available to us in the top right corner that we went over previously. You can also see here, we have the option to open the file directly inside of SOLIDWORKS. When the file opens in SOLIDWORKS, the vise assembly is visible in the graphics area. Notice the add-in that we mentioned earlier. This gives us access to the same apps we had available to us in the web browser, such as the Content Explorer. This would be a useful way to open up a separate file, but if I needed to edit the existing files that are open, I would use the My Session section. This new app, the Content Explorer, is very useful and intuitive, making it easy to browse and navigate to files and bookmarks from either the web viewer or SOLIDWORKS user interface. If you'd like to learn more about apps that could be useful for managing your data inside of the 3D Experience platform, check out our 3D Experience Data Management course. Or take a look at our 3D Experience Collaborative Designer for SOLIDWORKS course to learn more about using the SOLIDWORKS add-in to control your files. Thanks for watching.